Welcome back to another episode of Football in 90.
That we have that sort of depth moving forward, but it's a game that I'm looking forward to.
That's what makes it a little easier for me. The competition playing with the boys helped me a lot. I became faster, stronger.
Yes, giving back him number 10 and, yes sir, Ryan Miller, Nicholas Hamilton and Shavon Marsh.
Keep training, and I get the call and I went there and tried my best,
It just goes to show how talented we are. Yeah, little things like that, like money can't buy them sort of experiences. And
I just got to keep on performing, doing what I did last season, see what will happen next.
Hidden talent in Jamaica, and players like myself and players like Konya.
Well, it's just hard work, never give up, just sacrifice. To return back.
I work hard today, so I'm going to tone it down tomorrow, and then the next, you have to work each and every day hard.
Be there looking for handouts, you have to just work hard, and then it will come.
So you want success, but what pushes you to be successful?
There's going to be obstacles in your way. You just jump over them, cross them, cross those bad times.
If I play, more of my friends I say, if I play more I win. Win more I win. Once they put in the work that year, that'll come easy that game.
I mean, it was definitely amazing just to be able to inspire and reach people that I necessarily and all of us necessarily don't know personally is incredible.
But if that person who is gifted, can do so well without working hard, just imagine if that person actually work hard.
You have to give up something to get where you want, really and truly, and it all comes down to sacrifice, like really and truly, like what you're willing to give up, in terms of what you're willing to get, and that was actually a turning point.
It just pushes the mind, work harder, because it's achievable, it can be obtained.
Moments will come like when reality will hit you now, and a lot of thoughts will come to your mind, but you just have to remain positive and know and remember everything that you worked for and the sacrifice that you have to make to get exactly where you want to.
Just continue work, because just take one eyes.
Just never lose hope. From there's life, there is hope. And think about it, you have to have patience in yourself, and you have to be true. You have to be true to yourself. And you have to surround yourself with people who mean good to you and them things, you understand?
Nice school standout playing there, taking in the game up while they get the breaking news earlier this afternoon that the resumption of schoolboy football will be taking place in Jamaica this year.